Rolls-Royce may not have rushed to introduce the original Cullinan, but in the rapidly evolving landscape of top-end SUVs since its 2018 debut, the luxury automaker has discerned the perfect moment for a facelift. With competitors continually pushing the boundaries of opulence and newcomers like Ferrari and Aston Martin entering the fray, Rolls-Royce has elevated its grandest SUV to new heights, while the core essence of the Cullinan Series 2 and its dynamic black badge variant remains rooted in V12 power, with the twin-turbo engine delivering 563 horsepower in standard trim and an impressive 592 horsepower and 664 lb-ft of torque in black badge guise. The facelift introduces meticulous detail changes tailored to the discerning tastes of Rolls-Royce's clientele. Rolls-Royce has observed that Cullinan owners predominantly navigate urban environments, often assuming the drivers seat themselves. Surprisingly youthful by Rolls-Royce standards, with an average age of just 43, these owners epitomize success at a remarkably young age. Externally, the updated SUV is instantly recognizable by its distinctive DRLS, reminiscent of a drooping mustache, framing the square front end, an aesthetic inspired by the towering skyscrapers of modern cities. Additionally, a newly designed lower bumper complements the innovative introduction of a backlit grille, marking a first for Rolls-Royce. Inside, the Cullinan Series 2 welcomes occupants with a revamped interior boasting a full-width digital dashboard akin to the Spectre EV, with a miniature Spirit of Ecstasy nestled beneath the iconic clock. Access to Whispers, Rolls-Royce's exclusive members app, enhances the bespoke ownership experience. New material selections include gray-stained ash wood and a bamboo-derived rayon fabric featured in the Duality twill interior, while a perforated seat pattern mimicking the clouds over Rolls-Royce's Goodwood estate adds a touch of ethereal elegance. The facelift black badge variant, embodying Rolls-Royce's disruptive alter ego, boasts distinctive design elements such as a black finished grille, Spirit of Ecstasy, and window trim, diverging from the traditional chrome accents. The interior exudes a sporty allure with carbon trim requiring an intricate production process spanning 21 days, complemented by a pocket-sized black Spirit of Ecstasy, while the black badge prioritizes performance with aggressive throttle and transmission calibration and reduced brake pedal travel. It remains a paragon of luxury, with mirror effect black chrome accents adorning the rear bumper, hatch trim, and exhaust tailpipes, all atop striking 23-inch wheels. The updated Rolls-Royce Cullinan epitomizes the brand's commitment to unmatched luxury and bespoke craftsmanship, setting a new standard for opulent SUVs in the ever-evolving automotive landscape.